Hi, we're going to show you how to change the pump in a washing machine. It's a Kenmore 90 series, and a number of different washers are designed in the same identical way, whether they're Maytag or Whirlpool. Various ones are designed the same way. So the principles you'll see will be applied or applicable to a lot of different washers. You need a screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver. Impact driver works a little quicker. Flashlight comes in handy. You'll need a good sized little screwdriver and a pair of channel locks, and that's all you really need. We're going to do this somewhere between 2 to 3 minutes, depending on how things go. And I'll tell you how long it took when we're done here, and we have somebody using a stopwatch and timing us. But we've gotten it down pretty much to a science, and I believe that if you follow these simple steps, you'll be able to do it very quickly too. We're ready to start. Let's go. Towel's handy to have sometimes when you get a little spill like that. Okay, and we're done. I'm not sure how long it took us yet without looking at the watch here. It looks like 2 minutes and 36 seconds. So with a little practice, you can probably do it too.